Gonna knock out some of the wood now. So here's the root. I cut out most of the wood, but this part is tricky because when you try to smooth it or flatten it, when you take the wood out, it's sort of like a lump, and then it gouge into the rest of the wood, and I don't want to do that. I don't want it to be deeper than it has to be. Yep, that's the thing. Like this part here, when I took that little lump out, there's a slight concave line there. So I'm not sure what is the best way to smooth this out. Maybe I'm going to try my sander. Well, that's it for today. Progress is not good today. You see these gouges here? Maybe my reciprocating saw went a little bit too deep. Because when you take the wood out, it's kind of lumpy. So a piece come out and then it's not smooth. So it's hard to work with the wood at this root area. I did try to file it down as much as I can. Still, I have a little bit of gouge here. Maybe I can fill it with some wood filler. Maybe that would do the trick. Because I am down to the line here, pretty much. Maybe I can go farther down a little bit over here. And on the other side, I'm down to the line. It's supposed to be 1/8 of an inch. I guess I can go down a tiny bit, but so you see the slight. So here's how it looks. I have a lot more wood to take out where my thumb is. That's how it looks at the root. And the other side. And then I have to do the back. The back is a little tricky because Muddy didn't draw the line all the way up to here. He sanded this part and then we draw the line. So it's a little tricky there. I have to watch the videos again. Well, I would say this is a C, maybe C minus. .6'6".